Passing the NSCA-CPT exam starts with a smart plan. Here's how to build one based on official data. First, let's look at the exam blueprint. The NSCA-CPT consists of 155 questions, with 140 of them scored, and you have a 3-hour time limit. The cost is $300 for NSCA members and $435 for non-members. According to official 2025 reports, the annual pass rate is 77%. This tells us that while the exam is challenging, passing is an achievable goal for most candidates who prepare correctly. Understanding these numbers is the first step in creating a realistic study plan that respects both the test's difficulty and your time. A common mistake is studying all topics equally. The NSCA-CPT doesn't score them equally, so your study plan shouldn't treat them that way. The exam is broken into 4 content domains with specific weights. Exercise techniques is the largest at 31%, followed by safety and legal issues at 24%, client consultation at 23%, and program planning at 22%. By allocating your study hours to match these weights, you concentrate your effort where it will have the biggest impact on your final score. The most effective path to passing is consistency. This 12-week timeline is designed for people with full-time schedules, requiring about 6 to 10 hours per week. You'll start with foundational science and terminology in weeks 1 and 2. Then you'll progress through assessments, program design, and coaching techniques. The final weeks are dedicated to timed practice sets to build speed and accuracy, followed by targeted remediation of your weak areas. This structured approach prevents last-minute cramming and builds confidence steadily over time. Studying smart is more important than studying more. Instead of just rereading chapters, implement active high ROI tactics. Use a 2-pass system on test day. Answer easy questions first, then return to harder ones. Keep a miss log to track not just what you got wrong, but why. Was it a knowledge gap or a misread question? Finally, make timed practice sets a weekly habit. This trains your pacing and decision-making under pressure, churning study time from a passive activity into a measurable point-gaining system. The hardest questions on the NSCA-CPT exam test your practical judgment, not just memorization. Candidates often struggle with scenario-based questions that require you to prioritize safety and legal boundaries, or connect assessment data directly to program design. When you face a question where multiple answers seem plausible, always ask, what is the safest and most effective choice for this specific client right now? This framework helps you filter out distractors and select the option that demonstrates sound professional decision-making under pressure. Passing the exam is step 1. Turning it into a career is step 2. Use the first 30 days after certification to build momentum. In week 1, choose a specific coaching niche. In week 2, build your starter offer and pricing. Week 3 is for outreach to your net worth and local partners. Finally, in week 4, implement a system for client check-ins and retention. With a 14% projected job growth for fitness trainers, a clear plan helps you convert your new credential into paid work much faster. This plan gives you a powerful framework for success. The full guide on our website provides the complete 12-week schedule, detailed checklists, and test day strategies to help you prepare with confidence. Best of all, you can start applying these concepts right now with our free exam-style practice questions. Click the link to access the full study guide and start your free prep today.